Hi friends, I am Abhirami. We are going to see I Have a Dream, written by Martin Luther King. About I Have a Dream. This is a public speech that was delivered on August 28, 1963 at the Lincoln Memorial in Washington to overall 250,000 civil rights supporters, a defining movement of the American civil rights movement. This was ranked as the top American speech of the 20th century. About the author. About the author Martin Luther King. Martin Luther King, born on 15th January 1929, an American Baptist minister, activist, communication leader in the African American civil rights movement. Best known for his role in the advancement of civil rights using non-violent civil disobedience, one of the greatest orders in American history. The greatest Negro leader. On October 14, 1964, received the Nobel Peace Prize for combating racial inequality through non-violence. I have a dream background. The March on Washington for Jobs and Freedom was partly intended to demonstrate more support for the civil rights legislation proposed by President Kennedy in June. Martin Luther King and other leaders therefore agreed to keep the speeches calm, also to avoid provoking the civil disobedience which had become the hallmark of the civil rights movement. King originally designed his speech as a home page to Abraham Lincoln's Gettysburg Address, timed to correspond with the 100 years centennial of the Emancipation Proclamation. More details about the speech. King's speech invokes the Declaration of Independence, the Emancipation Proclamation, and the United States Constitution. Early in his speech, King alludes to Abraham Lincoln's Gettysburg Address by saying, "5 years ago," in reference to the abolition of slavery articled in the Emancipation Proclamation. King says it comes as the joyous daybreak to end the long night of their captivity. Early in his speech, King urges his audience to seize the moment. Now is the time is repeated 3 times in the 6th paragraph. The most witty example of Anabara is found in the often quoted verse, "I have dreamed," which is repeated 8 times. A king points a pictures of an intrigue to the unfit Africa for his audience. Other occasions include 100 years late, we can never be satisfied with this faith. Let freedom ring and free at last. Main message of the speech. The ideas in the speech reflect King's social experience of ethnic abuse, the mistreatment and exploitation of blacks. The speech draws upon appeal to America myths as a nation founded to provide freedom and justice to all people, and then reinforce the transcends those secular mythologies by phrasing then within a spiritual context by arguing that racial justice is also is accord with God's will to give African Americans the freedom and equality they deserve. Confusional strategies and techniques. The first half portrays not an idealist American dream but a picture of a sitting American nightmare of racial injustice. The second half of the speech points the theme of a better, fairer future of racial harmony and integration. The most famous paragraph carries the theme, I have a dream, and the first is repeated constantly to hammer home King's inspirational concepts. The factors effect of the speech. The remarkable emotion of King's delivery in terms of the both voice and body. The sit at which is was delivered on the steps of the memorial to the president who defeated Southern states over the issue of slavery. The mood of the day, a censure prepared slavery among black people and the gradual relationship of the sense of guilt among white people. Black or white people make good brotherhood. In 1957, became the first president of the Southern Christian Leadership Conference is Martin Luther King. Thanks for watching. Bye.